my lovelies, I'm on my way to somewhere nice. It was my birthday on Friday and I decided I was going to go camping. I did think about bringing the boys, my beautiful sons, but you know what? I'm planning on going solo camping a lot, especially over next year. So it made sense for me to do a small local journey. So I'm off to somewhere lovely. I'm going to Mel's, and I've been there before and I know where I'm parking up, and I've got my silver foils to do my blackout windows. So come along with me. I think you'll enjoy the journey. So I'm here, and although there are houses around here, I've chosen this place for now because I can watch the sun go down. As you can see, I have my bed back there, and I'm just about to get the front seat sorted out. I need to move that forward so that I've got a bit more space as well. So let's get started, shall we? And the back window is blocked off now with the shelf, and I've still got to put the side windows up, but my bed is set up and that looks pretty cozy-ish. It'll do. And then on the front here you can see my solar panel there, and that's charging these batteries here, which are great for keeping your phone charged. And I've got two of those. This one's already fully charged, and here I have a light that goes into the side of those batteries in case I get a bit bored and I want to get some work done. And down here is just all kinds of, there's my food bag there, and my hat and my coat, and that's my charger for my phone, so I won't be using the phone too much. And yeah, I'm quite happy. I'm now going to go for a little walk down the beach and stretch my legs because it's going to be cramped all night in there, I think. So yeah, I'm excited, nervous, but excited. I might have to move down a little bit, but the sun's just going down now, so we should be able to see it. Well, this has changed a lot since I was last here. I mean, there definitely wasn't a Scottish pine, but I'm not going to look at this tonight. Oh, there's a dip there. I'm not going to look at this tonight. That's where I'm heading, down there. Just look at that, guys. Look at the view. Waders Walk. opened on 21st of August 2021. Thank you for visiting Waders Walk. What started with an intention to improve the promenade fencing has developed into an opportunity to showcase the incredible skills of some of Wirral's finest artists. We present to you an outdoor gallery designed to inspire and inform. Created by the community for the community, the fence painting began with Barbara and Peter Singleton, with support and backing from friends of Hoylake and Mel's in Bloom volunteers, and Jan and Mike Foster, with painted provided by Wirral Council. They were soon joined by enthusiastic and individual volunteers: Barbara, Brenda, Hilary, Joe and Sean, Joanna, Julia, Julie, Marianthi, Mike, Neil, Sarah and Val. With advice from the RSPB and Wirral Rangers and photographs provided by Hoylake Photographic Society members Ken, Les and Robert, an idea of an outdoor display of some of the birds seen along the coastline started to become a reality. To the artists who gave hours of their time to create these beautiful paintings, and friends who helped us to prepare the display, we say a huge thank you. It is the intention to make Waders Walk part of an art trail that will start in Hoylake and continue through Mel's. Hoylake and Mel's in Bloom and Wirral Festival of First will be working hard as usual to develop many improvements and events for the benefit of the community. Make sure that you look out for news and future developments. And here they are, outdoor artwork. So I've got the light working, but the camera's gone into black and white and I don't know why. So yeah, it's kind of cozy. It's just a bit weird being in here. Metal windows, well not metal but foil. So I'm gonna sign off for the night. Yeah, black and white me. Take care everybody. Good night. Love you all. See you in the morning.